The sentencing hearing for Molly Corbett and her father, Tom Martens, continued in Davidson County today. A judge is deciding how much time will serve for the 2015 death of Jason Corbett after the father and daughter accepted plea deals. WFMY News 2's Amber Lake joins us live now with testimonies from Jason Corbett's children.
Julie, just a few days after their father was murdered back in 2015, 8-year-old Sarah and 10-year-old Jack spoke to a social worker on video camera. Now, these interviews were not used in the initial trial back in 2017, but today we were able to watch them in their entirety. And I will say both children were in court today, and they were visibly upset watching those videos. Now, today, at just 19 years old and 17 years old, Jack and Sarah relived the past. These interviews took place shortly before a custody battle between Jason Corbett's family and Molly Corbett. Jason's family won the custody battle, so the interviews were recanted. In the videos, both children were saying their dad was abusive to Molly Corbett. They also said Molly told them about multiple instances where Jason wasn't the best father. We've also watched the full interview Tom Martens and Molly Corbett had with law enforcement hours after the killing of Jason. You hear Molly Corbett saying, quote, "I was screaming help," and he was screaming, "I'm going to kill her." Irish businessman Jason Corbett and Molly Corbett got married and moved from Ireland to Winston-Salem back in 2011. Molly was Jason's nanny after his first wife died. In August of 2015, Molly Corbett's parents came into town to visit the family. Late that evening, Tom Martens woke up to the couple arguing and says he went upstairs to find Jason strangling Molly. Martens hit Jason Corbett in the head with a metal baseball bat. The two then fought, and then Molly hit her husband with a brick paver left on the nightstand. In 2017, the two were sentenced to 25 years in prison, even though they claimed self-defense. But in 2021, the state Supreme Court overturned their convictions, citing errors in the trial. Now, if you remember yesterday, we were able to see both murder weapons in court used in the killing of Jason. We'll keep you updated on what happens in court tomorrow. Live in Davidson County, Amber Lake, WFMY News 2.